on Stained Glass Cuts. Today I'm going to show you how I use solid brass plumber's chain, also known as safety chain, to hang some of my stained glass pieces. I like using this chain because it's all weather, and because of its flat design, glass pieces when hung keep an ideal orientation. I'll be terminating the chain with a hanger like this one, and I have a detailed video on how I make this kind of hanger. Check it out. In addition to the chain, I'll be using flat nose jewelry pliers, a 1/4-inch bolt, a solid brass O-ring, and my thumbnails. You can substitute a tool if you like. To begin, I'll start at the end of the chain that terminates with an oval. Using my nails, I'll remove 13 links by bending them out just enough that they can be removed. Now, I'll take one of the links and put it over the O-ring and squeeze it together. Next, I will rebuild the chain by inserting one link after the other until I have used 12 of the links. You can use more or less links depending upon the length of chain you want. You'll notice in our chain that the links are splayed out from our bending. Taking my flat nose pliers, I'll work my way down the chain, applying just enough pressure to the top of each link until I see the heel, that'd be the closest part to this little loop, come together. And I'll work my way down the chain, squeezing each one, getting that O-ring out of the way. And in this manner, we'll return our links to their original orientation. Now, I'll take my last link, place it over the bolt, squeeze it onto the bolt, and bend the two pieces of the link until they are parallel. And then I'll add it to the chain. Here I have a microwave kiln fused piece of glass made from octagons and pentagons, into which I previously drilled a hole and prepared the hanging hardware. From this point, I'll be following the steps in my hanger making video. Alternatively, you could solder this last link to your traditional copper foil or leaded glass piece. And there you have it, stained glass on a solid brass chain. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.